In this lesson, we'll explain how to ensure that your furniture is healthy. Furniture isn't just about style and comfort. It can cause health hazards from the chemicals used in its production, and being aware of these risks is really important for creating a healthier living space. The main issue with furniture is the chance of off-gassing chemicals, which can contribute to our indoor air pollution and chemical exposure in our homes. There are a whole range of chemicals that have been found in furniture, which include volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. These are found in various types of furniture, leading to eye, skin, and lung irritation. Formaldehyde, a VOC, is a known carcinogen. Dimethyl fumarate, that's used as an antifungal agent in leather products. It causes allergic contact dermatitis. And different flame retardants, these are added to furniture and electronics, and they've been associated with cancer, birth defects, and neurological and reproductive disorders. Infants can be exposed to these flame retardants in a variety of places, such as pillows, car seats, and infant carriers. So we want to be really careful here. Polybrominated diphenyl ethers, or PBDEs, these are present in older foam products such as mattresses, furniture, and foam pillows. And these have been linked to cancer and reproductive disorders. Now, these have been banned, but products containing PBDEs can still be used and recycled until 2030. Perfluorinated chemicals, PFOS or PFOAs, commonly found in water-repellent fabrics, stain-resistant materials, and fast food packaging. These have been linked to cancer, and although these hazardous substances have been gradually eliminated, there are concerns that manufacturers may be just substituting them with undisclosed chemicals from the same harmful chemical group, something called a regrettable substitution. So how do you reduce exposure to toxins in furniture? Well, choosing safer materials is key here. We want to opt for furniture with fabrics such as leather, wool, and cotton, and we want to avoid furniture with flame retardants or water, grease, or stain-resistant coatings that have been sprayed on them. And you can verify the absence of flame retardants by contacting the manufacturers directly, as labeling alone may not really provide the full picture. Buying local is also key. Choosing furniture made in your own country can really avoid some of the overseas problems that we might get when things that are being shipped in aren't really held to the same strict standards that the EU and the US has. So we often find some toxic chemicals being introduced into our market this way. Also, be sure to read the label. You want to look for furniture that's labeled as free of flame retardant chemicals, or that meets the TB 117 2013 standards. These standard means that the furniture has passed specific flammability tests without the addition of harmful chemicals. There are certain certifications that you can look out for as well. Green Guard, these ensure products that have low chemical emissions, which will improve our air quality. Ecolog, these certify products with low emission and sustainable production processes. There's GOTS, or Global Organic Textile Standard. This indicates products are free from polyurethane foam or other hazardous chemicals. Green Seal, these identify products and services that meet really stringent health, sustainability, and performance criteria. There's Certipure US. This guarantees foam and furniture is made without harmful chemicals being added and also has low emissions for indoor air quality concerns. In the next lesson, we're going to go over healthy clothing choices.